Hey guys, my name is Freedom. Today I'm going to show you how to extract any of the body parts from character creator tree and send it to iClone 7 to create any of the 3D animations. In this process, we are going to use the Blender 3.0 as a tools, as a 3D modeling tools, and you can extract any parts from character creator tree. So let's have a look. First, you are in the character creator tree. Once you already finish design and avatar, what you can do is just export it as the OBJ file. So let's have a look. I click here, File, Export as OBJ, character with current pose. Of course, you can change to any of the pose. You can just select from here. Click here, Templates, Motions. For example, the male motion, you can select any of the pose as you want. For example, you may want to have a face. After that, just export it. Export here, File, Export the OBJ, character with current pose. Then you tick Export Material, create a new folder here, right click, New Folder. I will name this as Full Body. Right. So open it. Copy the destination location, Ctrl C to copy. And then here you click OK to export it. Click here, Ctrl V to paste and press Enter. I will just name it as Full Body. Then I click Save. And wait for a while. Now it is exporting. It is exporting everything here. Once finished already, you should be able to see a full body OBJ file at there. So next, open your Blender 3.0. If you not yet installed the Blender, you can just go to the download link, go to my video description there, click the download link to download it. Once you open the Blender, the first thing to do is just select three of these: the camera, the cube, and the light. Just press delete button to delete it, everything. And then import the OBJ file from here. File, import the OBJ wavefront. It is on my desktop, full body. This is the OBJ file. Double click to import it. Alright, now you can see it is exactly the pose that I created in CC3. So how are we going to extract all the body parts like this? So in order to export the body part first, in your Blender, you can just turn on the texture and just have a look. Which part do you want to extract? For example, I may want to extract the face here. So just select the edit mode and then you press -Y. It will totally at -Y. Next, we change here to become the wireframe mode. Next, you just delete the unnecessary parts. Select and press delete button to delete all the faces and select this part. Press delete button to delete the faces, and here as well press delete button, delete the faces, and here press delete all the faces. Now you only left here. You just have a look. Where are you going to delete it? You can see this part, this is a ring. Here is another ring. So I'm going to extract just the face, this part. The rest I'm going to delete it. Just delete. Press delete button, delete the faces. Here also press delete the faces. delete, select and press delete all the vertices. This part also press delete, delete all the vertices, delete, vertices, delete, vertices. Now you can see you only left the face. If you turn on the texture, you'll see that here is hollow. So what you are going to do is just look from the top here. This is the edit mode. You click here so that you can select any of the edge. So you click one of it and hold the control button and click another one. It will automatically select all, and then you click here again, it select until here and click here, select, and then you click the last one. Now you can see all already selected. It automatically highlighted by using the orange color. You right click it, click new face from edge, then it will automatically fill up. Now, when you back to the edit mode, you back to the object mode there, you can see the whole face is already done. And the next moment is just create a new folder here on the desktop, right click new folder. Here I may just put face. Okay, now once you already have this folder, you open it, and then the Blender, you can save as here, copy the destination location, Ctrl C, and click here, Ctrl V, press enter. And then the blend file, I will just name it as face and save as. Now you already have a Blender file. Next, you export it as FBX file. Click File, Export the FBX. Export at the same locations. Always remember the path mode, you have to select copy. And this here, you have to click to make sure it is already selected. And then click Export. After that, you should be able to see your FBX file is already there. Double click it. Now you can see this is the face. Alright, now, in order to import into iClone 7, what you need to do is just open the iClone 7. This is my previous project file. What you need to do is just drag into your iClone 7. For example, I want to drag in here. So open the folder there. The FBX file is here. Just drag in the FBX file. Drag in. And then after that, always remember, click here. Now you cannot see. Take log scale XYZ, and the X you press 1 and press enter. Now you can see it is already in a human scale. Next, you just drag it down and click here. This is to change the pivot point, and then lift it up, scroll up, click reset transform, and then click 0 out. Press F. Now you can see it is already at the origin. You can just save it separately as a prop in iClone 7. Save it separately. Just go to the contents, click here, click custom, click the prop, and then click plus. You will automatically save it as a new prop. Next, once you want to use it anytime, you can just drag into your scene, and then you can press E to rotate it. Rotate to the location as you want. Now this is one of the face that's extracted from the Character Creator 3 CC3. Alright, that's all for today about how to extract any of the body parts from Character Creator 3.4, CC 3.4 by using the Blender tool to perform some of the 3D modeling skill to extract it out and then import into your iClone 7 3D animation software, where you can make it as a prop to perform any of the 3D animations, play it as a prop when you need it. Alright, that's all for today. Thank you for watching. If you love my video tutorial, if you feel all these tutorials are very helpful to your 3D animation and game developing, you can subscribe to my YouTube channel and also turn on the mini bell and select all so that when next time I publish a new video tutorial, you'll receive a notification immediately. See you in my next video. Enjoy happy animation and game developing. See you!